This is the XBAR-32, which is a 32-inch Bluetooth soundbar speaker system for Polaris RZRs, ATVs, UTVs, side-by-sides, Jeeps, and other off-road vehicles. The system consists of 8 speakers, 4 of which are 3.5-inch mid-bass drivers, 2 are 3.5-inch mid-range drivers, and 2 are 1-inch PEI dome tweeters, all encased in a marine-rated rugged IPX6 weatherproof and waterproof casing. On top of this, it has built-in LED lights that feature different light modes of solid colors that you can select by clicking the Rockville button on the front of the unit and choose from the colors of red, purple, and blue, as well as a pulsating color mode where the LEDs will blink through the different colors. And if you don't want any LEDs, you can turn them off completely. Now, on the face of the system, we have all of our button controls that are conveniently placed so that you can operate them while driving. There is a power button that if you long click this button, it will turn off the whole system completely. There is a source button to flip between the two sources of aux and Bluetooth. Since there's an aux mode, there's a 3.5mm aux input so that you can plug into a music source with the included aux cable, or you can connect your device through Bluetooth while the soundbar is in Bluetooth mode, which your device will automatically reconnect to after the first time you pair it. There's a play pause button as well as a song skip or rewind button and volume up and down buttons for maximum control while driving. The soundbar can be installed either behind the driver or in front of the driver, and installation is super easy with the ready-to-wire harness that is already attached to the system. We also include power and ground wires that have O-rings on them, so you can attach those wires to the power and black ground wire on the XBAR-32 harness and then install them directly to the vehicle's battery. Yup, it's that simple. The power wire just needs to be run to the positive terminal of your vehicle's battery, and the ground wire just needs to be run to the negative terminal of your battery, and you're good to go. On top of that, we include other installation accessories like our highly popular RWK8ATV wiring kit and zip ties for a clean install. And mounting to the roll bar or roll cages is super easy as well. There are 4 metal clamps that you attach to the XBAR-32 that clamps over the roll bar or roll cage, and also included are these rubber pads that you can use to get a super secure fit around whatever bar size you mount to. This is a multi-angle adjustable clamp system that fits 1.5 inches, 1.75 inches, 1.85 inches, and 2-inch bars. For a full installation guide, check out our How to Install Your XBAR-32 video. There's also RCA pre-outputs and a blue wire remote voltage output. This allows you to send both music signals as well as a remote line into an external amplifier, which will turn on your external amplifier when you power up the soundbar. This completely syncs and expands your setup if you want to add more speakers or a subwoofer to your setup. But you're probably wondering what this sounds like, so let's go check out a demo we have set up.
What's up, you guys? So here I am with the XBAR-32 all mounted, set up, and ready to go. I got my phone connected to the speaker through Bluetooth, so I'm gonna play some music for you guys so we can hear how it sounds. Here we go.
The XBAR-32 is an extremely loud soundbar system with great sound quality. So if you're looking for a 32-inch soundbar Bluetooth speaker system for your Polaris RZR, UTV, ATV, side-by-side, Jeep, or any other off-road vehicle, look no further than the XBAR-32 from Rockville.